Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Learning While Farming. And today it's a hunt. It's a fight against the parrots. They're over there trying to get this corn. See, the thing is, they have raided the corn of every other person over here, and I'm not risking mine. It was a bit of hard work for me to manage to save this, and to just give it up like that, I don't think it's worth it. Alright, let me show you guys something. Look at this right now. I had to, see if I let them in, it's gonna be me suffering the consequences. They all went way over there on that tree. Let me point out the tree right there. If I'm not mistaken, some of these are parakeets, still parrots, but known scientifically named as parakeets. And the other bigger ones are parrots. Those, if I'm not mistaken, have their head red. Yeah, red head. And those are a bit bigger, but still the main plague are those guys over there. Them. Look at them. They're just migrating, finding a place to eat. I think I can get closer. At times only your presence scares them away, But that's the thing, you have to be consistently around. You're not there, they won't care, I have to. I just have to. Look at them, look at them. Look at how many. Sun is already coming out. It's already rising. But it's always nice to wake up and being thankful and appreciating the view, whatever you have planted, and I just admire the sky. Okay, here on that little cairn, this is an bird attempt. Try to open this. That's the thing with birds, they tend to come and open the corn, just bite a little bit, then fly away. And they just potentially ruin, I don't know, a couple of sacks. Each sack is valued money, and that's not pleasant at all. But yeah, here you have the jicama beds. Yeah, over there you can see the little jicamas. Look closely. Yes. Here you have more. Yes. It's lovely. I was worrying with these guys I didn't see any sign of life, but no, here they are. Okay, here that's an action done by birds. Again, you see what I mean? They do that a lot, and it kind of ruins the corn. It's annoying. But Yeah, the carne is soon to be ready. Some people prefer like this for boiled carne, but some people want it a bit more sturdy, more mature for tamalitos. Guys, this video is basically me versus Parrots. That's gonna be the name. Oh no. I really enjoyed this video. It's a pretty decent clip. So this is learning while farming. Thanks for sharing, liking, viewing. I really appreciate it. We want to grow, and thanks guys. I'm gonna go eat. Until next time.